like the Blue Jays, and I like the Cardinals a lot. I had a family of Cardinals out here 2 years in a row now. The whole time we've been here, they've been here. I read they have babies and they'll just keep coming back all the time. Where are the other woodpeckers at? I hadn't seen him in a few minutes. A lot of activity going on. And there's not even very much food left in that feeder at all. Look at that. They emptied it out in one day. I got some leftover cake right there they sure like. Plus I made some homemade bird suet with peanut butter, meat, fat off of some hamburger meat, raisins, cranberries, and rice. Sometimes I'll put pet food in there. That little kibble. There's a lot of blue jays out there today. Look at them little guys right there. They are just too cute, aren't they? Look at them all lined up in a row. They are too cute. Oh, what's that on the thing there? Oh, there's that little woodpecker. That's my little downy woodpecker right there. They're smaller than those big red-headed ones. Oh, here comes a deer. Oh my gosh, here comes a bunch of deer. Oh my gosh. Check it out. Check it out. Look at them. See them? Look at them. Oh my gosh. I saw these guys the other day. They like the corn too, I put out, I guess. The deer are back, guys. They sure blend in the trees good. They know it too. I bet they want to come here and get that corn. There's one of them right there. Fast. There's 3 of them that time. The other day there's about 6 or 7 walked through there. That's interesting. They've got where they just walk along the line right there. Right at the edge of the woods. I bet they like that corn. If it's more of that corn out.